Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, SalesNexus Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then you click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Once you're done with your installation, reload this page, then you head down to the custom page of the app, click on it. You're going to see this pop-up interface with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey with this app is right in here. We have a smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get your necessary credentials and set up your app. We have the app set up. Let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup button and you'll be required to enter the email and password you use to create your account online. Let's head over to it and we copy our email that we used and we paste the email right over here. Then you paste the password here. Then you click on Complete Setup. Your app will be successfully connected and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket as well, book a call with the support team. And an interesting feature here, which is a changelog, that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, then you'll click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your